It is a track record that we need to pay attention to.
The Reverend Shane Harris leads the People's Association of Justice Advocates. Ever since the killing of George Floyd, his group has been working on what they see as abusive and discriminatory policing in San Diego County. Harris sent a letter to the Sheriff's Department asking for information on deputies who'd had abuse of force complaints. In a news conference Thursday, he said the idea is to root out bad apples.
We're going after the next Derek Chauvin, and it only takes one. Minneapolis showed us that.
Harris asked for 3 pieces of information. First, how many currently employed deputies had 2 or more sustained, that is, confirmed, use of force incidents on their record. Sheriff's Department records go back to 1995. In their response, the department said 3 deputies had 2 or more sustained violations. Next, Harris wanted to know how many deputies had 2 or more unfounded claims against them. The answer? 31 deputies were the subject of 2 or more unfounded allegations. Then Harris asked how many deputies from each category had been involved in a deputy-involved shooting. The answer? 1 from the sustained group and 1 from the unfounded group. Harris says the sheriff's response is unsatisfactory.
We believe that there is a biased view in there because it's like a teacher grading their own paper. And these are deputies who still are working in the department, confirmed, for sure.
Harris also criticized the Citizens Law Enforcement Review Board. That group does its own investigations of use of force incidents. He says the group is toothless and needs to be reformed. Moving ahead, Harris says it's about making serious changes in policy. He says taxpayers should be supportive of change because they're on the hook when local government has to pay out claims.
We have to get rid of the bad apples in order to save our democracy and our humanity and our taxpayer dollars and lives.
The Sheriff's Department had no comment on Harris's charge that they're biased in how they handle complaints against deputies. John Carroll, KPBS News.